I'm so unprepared. I'm really unprepared for this snowstorm. I've been working in my office and everything. I should have been getting my big snowblower going, but I think I may wait till the roads are all pretty decent and just take this little tractor around and use it for snow plowing this year. My little Kubota. I'll just go push some driveways with that real fast, and we'll see how deep it is though. If it's real deep, I may have to do something different, like take my other tractor. But we'll see what happens. I'm just doing little driveways. So, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Right now I'm gonna clean the shop up a little bit. Enough so I can get my big tractor in here and do a little bit of tractor work maybe on both of them. So we'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna clean this shop up. It's a big freaking mess. I can't even get nothing in. Look how close it is to the door. The door, stuff. Stuff. This hitch can go outside somewhere. This thing here needs to go back there. I need to move that stuff over there around a little bit. Got junk here I need to move. Got my grasshopper back there I'm still working on. And this side over here needs to be organized a little different. But I got a lot of room in here. This thing here is in my way. It needs to be welded. So we'll see what I can do with it all. Alright. Okay. I gotta go get off here. I'm gonna clean shop for a little while. Okay, I'm working on getting this snowblower going. Just in case they're right and we got a big snowstorm. I got this one over here goes already. It's right there. You can see it kind of through all this crap. This one works and ready to go. This one needs a motor. That motor I had running the other day on that little wood chipper. But I need to take the carburetor off and clean it up a little bit. I think I can get it running a little better, but because it was starving for fuel. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm in the process of taking that carburetor off, and we're going to clean it up a little bit and see if I can get it to run better. Okay, I'll talk to you when I get this down and see what's dirty in it. I'll show you guys just one little trick I did. I popped this field line off of this right here. Fuel line goes through here. It's a real pain in the butt to change that fuel line, but it goes right through here. But I popped it off this line right here that goes into the valve, and I just shoved a spark plug into it to keep it from leaking right now. I think this tank's got about half a tank in it, and I'm going to replace this hose here, the vent hose. It goes down to here somewhere. Where does that go? Oh, it goes on the thing I took off earlier. Where is it? Oh, this. It goes right to here. You got one right here. It comes from the valve cover, and then this one over here goes from the fuel tank. Okay, I'm gonna pull this off, take the bowl off, and run my torch tips cleaners through the holes and a little air. But be careful blowing air, but don't blow a lot of air through it. And then maybe a little bit of starting fluid through the holes. Okay, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, I've got it all back together. It wasn't too bad in there, but I cleaned out some holes real good with my torch tips and blowed it out with my air and a little bit of starting fluid. It could leak right now. I haven't done nothing. I'm going to turn the gas on and see if we got any leaks. Whoops. See if we got any leaks first. Fill that bowl, make sure the bowl ain't leaking. I don't feel nothing. Give it a little gas. Choke. Let's see if she'll fire up. Might take a second to get some gas in it. May not run at all. starting fluid. This motor's pretty wore out. May not have that much compression. They need a little bit hotter feel. Okay, let's see if I get I broke this piece of plastic off this right here. This is a bowl, like a settlement bowl, like a filter. It's a settlement bowl, not a very big one, but for some reason that valve wasn't getting no gas through it. We'll see if it'll fire up now. May not be getting gas now. Come on, baby. Can't believe it. Damn. Let me put a little bit of go-go juice in there. I think this motor might be shot. I think that motor, the rings are bad in it or something. She's pretty, but May. It's just it don't have much compression when I turn it over. And it's got a bunch of blow by. I'm not even gonna mess with it no more. It ain't worth putting on that blower. Snow blower. Dang it. I don't know. I can't believe it. I'm gonna play with it a little bit more. Play with it a little longer. This motor is done. I ain't gonna waste some more time. What is it? 150 bucks. I have a brand new one. So I'm done. Ain't worth it. I may take it apart sometime if I get bored. Don't look like I'm gonna get this snowblower going this year. We don't have much snow where I live, so now I ain't got my big one going. I probably have a lot, but I got this one over here. I'll show you. We got this one here. It's got a brand new motor on it. It's only been used very little with that motor, but I'm sure it's been used quite a bit with the old motor. It's not wore down too bad. The cutting edge is still pretty much all there. And I only do maybe 5 or 6 driveways anyway, so we'll just use this little dog and that tractor right there. I'll just run that tractor on the driveways and get them done. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. Alright, signing off. We may use my bigger Kubota for around town here. And then I'll just throw that little thing in the back, go do the one, a couple of them I got in Raymore and Belton. Alright. Yeah, I got a couple of yards up in Raymore or wherever. I can just throw that in the back of my truck, maybe. It's pretty heavy. May throw it on a trailer. I just hate to get my trailer all salty. But, yeah. I'll see how heavy it is. I may pick it up. I may be able to put the handles up on the tailgate or something and lift the other side and slide it in.
Hi.
YouTube! Lady walking her dog. She's been running with that dog. That dog first came by here with a little pup. Now it's a big old yellow lab. Okay, so let's do something different with this stuff. Alright, I gotta get off here. Somebody else yelling at me. Well, I got the 3410 in the shop. Get ready to go do some snow tomorrow. My shop's full now. I just got a little dinky shop. It's like 20 by 30. I don't even think it's quite 30. I think it's like 20 by 24. Little dinky shop. I'd like to build onto it a little bit sometime. But I'm going to push some snow with this tomorrow. So I'm glad to have it inside out of the weather. I might get a few other things fixed up. I could have something here besides this stuff. I don't need this stuff in here. A lot of it. Some of it, I mean, I don't know. It's all good stuff. I just don't have enough space. I need about this much more space. Actually. Yeah, I probably need to get rid of a few things. Actually, what I'll probably end up doing is getting rid of a few things because I got too much stuff. Wish I had bigger property where I had like a small farm. Piece of land where I had some farm barns so I could keep some stuff in it. But that's wishing. Takes money to do all that. And they got the economy so jacked up now you can't do nothing like that. I mean, that's just, you can do it if you're a young man. That's a young man's game. I'm not gonna start paying for another piece of property. It's when I'm pushing 55 years old here in a couple of years. Just gonna keep it. I might even downsize a little bit. We'll see what happens. Still doing good right now. Anyway, we got this tractor in here ready for the snowstorm coming up. It's supposed to get about, I don't know, 8 to 12 inches maybe, but we're getting quite a bit of rain here. Hopefully they'll miss it a little bit. We'll get about 4 or 5 inches, but I can go scrape a few driveways real fast. Anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one.